Hi, this is Sharon. I'm going to take just a minute or two and show you another way that you can get started in taking our bobbin lace classes. What I have done is I have just taken a piece of the styrofoam poster board that you can get at a dollar store. I've cut it in half and put two pieces together or three pieces, whatever you would like. And then I have put a very thin piece of cardboard underneath it, on top of it, underneath my pattern to help stabilize the pins. I have taken the pattern from the class and enlarged that on my computer to approximately 145 to 150%. And I have put 6 pins across the top. And these are clothespins that you can buy in most of your little hobby stores or craft stores. Buy you a dozen or two of these little clothespins. If you cannot find them, they're not available in your area, then find you about a 5 or 6 inch dowel that's approximately 5/8 to 3/4 inches around. And you'll need to take something and cut around the top of it so that we can attach your yarn to the top of it so it won't slip off. If you don't have that, you could even tape the yarn on with a little bit of tape or duct tape to keep that from sliding off the top. But we can do it with just some simple supplies that you can buy around your neighborhood. And we can just make lace and have fun. You can follow along with us in your classes, and when it's convenient for you to buy your supplies for the classes, you're welcome to contact us and we'll make sure that you get them sent to you. But this is just really a fun way that we can go and make some lace with simple, inexpensive items that will be easy for you to locate in the area that you live in. By following through our classes, you'll be able to learn all of the basic stitches and do it with the yarn and the clothespins, and you will be able to have fun, relax, teach your children how to do it, and have a good time at it. Good luck, and I'll see you at our classes.